How to add payment method on Shopify. To add a payment method on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located in the lower left corner. Once in the Settings menu, click on Payments to access the payment settings for your store. In the Payments section, you'll see a list of supported payment methods. To add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Methods. This will allow you to search for various payment providers available for your store. You can select from a variety of options, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and numerous third-party payment gateways. Once you find the desired payment method, click on Install to enable it. After clicking Install, you may be prompted to enter your account credentials for the selected payment provider, especially if it requires linking to an external account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once activated, the new payment method will be available for your customers at checkout, providing them with more options to complete their purchases. Additionally, if you wish to explore more payment options, you can also install payment provider apps from the Shopify App Store, which can offer various additional features and functionalities tailored to your business needs. After adding and configuring your payment methods, ensure to test the checkout process to confirm that everything is functioning correctly for your customers.